This is a guide on how you can message someone on WhatsApp without actually saving their number. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is close WhatsApp and use any browser of your choice. I'm using Google, so I'm going to open Google. After opening Google, you have to click on the search bar and you have to type in wa.me/ and then you have to enter the number of the person that you want to message. So I have copied the number already. You can copy it or you can just enter it one by one. Remember that you also have to enter the country code. Okay, don't forget the country code. So I'm going to paste it here. Once you're done, click on search. And as you can see, it has redirected me to WhatsApp. And this is the chat of that particular person. And yeah, I can just message him. I can say hi without actually saving their number. And that's it. That's how you message someone on WhatsApp without actually saving their number.